Well, today I was pleasantly surprised to find my Horus RC order, and I guess let's get down to unboxing this X9 Lite, and here we go. Well, I guess here it is. Gimbal protectors right here. And they're not to you, but they're nice, so I guess we'll just take that. Here's the X9 Lite, and if you guys want to see, here's the size comparison between the two. Obviously, this has less switches, and it has one less potentiometer. It only has one potentiometer here. But I honestly don't care, I only fly quads, so I guess it's mainly thinking you can fly RC planes, but yeah, I guess that's that. I guess enough of the basic observations. Let's get down to the scales to go measure these guys. Well, I'm out here at the scale and got my X9 Lite set up with the R9 module. And I'm going to compare it to the weight of this with the R9 module and antenna. So first of all, the X9D. Well, actually the X9D would cause my scale to overload, so I just pulled out the battery for now so I can weigh them separately. And this comes in at 704 grams without the battery. And the battery weighs 163. So that comes out to about 860 something, I'd say. The X9 Lite with the battery, with the module, and battery weighs in at 626.62 grams, which is pretty light. It's actually lighter than the X9D without the battery, which is pretty good. Well, other than the weight, I'd like to say that this does feel like a jumper radio in other ways too. It's kind of light, and I don't know, it's just the width of the radio being smaller makes it feel kind of like a jumper radio. And that honestly feels really good to me because I've got smaller hands, and it just helps me a lot. And yeah, otherwise I'd like to say that this does definitely feel like FrSky quality stuff, because these gimbals, they feel as good as like the X9D stock gimbals, and other than that the switches feel like quality switches too. But otherwise, I didn't encounter a problem when I was messing around just now. As you can see, I plugged in my R9M Lite module. It doesn't accept the JR modules, unfortunately, but I bought this one, and it cost me $50, and when I got it, turns out they don't accept it because they're really trying to push for the R9 access stuff, or access stuff in general, actually. So they only allow the R9M access module, and I'm going to have to do some updates on this later. So I can't really give any flight footage or flight impressions, so that kind of sucks. So yeah, I guess I've got to update my module and my receivers now. So I guess that's all, folks. Till next time.